Hello my fellow pupils, here we are in grade 6 class. We are going to cook the KFC chicken. As you can see here, we have the flour, have the milk, we have the oil, we have the carrot, the tomato, the lemon, and the garlic and the ginger. Here we have the chicken, we have paprika, we have chicken masala, we have also turmeric powder and the black pepper.
Here, as you see, we are cutting the meat. We are marinating the meat so we can fry it. We have to cut them in pieces. As we continue to cut the meat in pieces, as you can see here, our auntie is helping us to cut it.
Hello everyone, we're going to start marinating these chickens. We are first putting our wheat flour. Put all of it. And now we put our paprika for the marination. And now we put our paprika. We don't put too much paprika. More. Abbas. And now we take our black pepper. This way. Bas. And now we put little not chicken, so we put now we start mixing little turmeric because there's some people who are having acidic problem, so you might not put too much turmeric. And we put little chicken, we put some chicken masala to add flavor. And now we start mixing. We start mixing and mixing. Now we're done. We're putting the flour. We have to dip the chicken into the flour. For example, I have to use one hand because I don't want to dirtify all my hands. I dip one here. So
now
we mix, and now we dip the chicken add some more flour. We add more flour to the mixer, and now we start mixing all the things in here. We mix, and we have to make sure that all the flour gets into all chickens for it to be crispy and flavorful. And now when we start putting the chicken, we must make sure we remove all the excess flour. We did it in here. All the excess flour, we have to remove it. Now we leave the chickens to, we leave this for like 1 hour. Thank you. Now we have left it for 1 hour, and now it's time to fry these ones into the frying pan. We first have to put oil and make sure that the gas is on, and now we have to, but slowly we have to take it to the oil, but first we have to wait for the oil to boil. Now we have now we are going to fry this one into the frying pan. We have to make sure that the oil is very hot so that the chicken can fry quickly. We have to make sure we have to start with the small one that needs little hot oil. We have to shake it off so we can remove all the excess flour. And now we are waiting for the oil to boil so we can start frying our KC chicken. As you can see, the oil is boiling, and very soon we are going to start frying our chicken. to learn how to cook and to learn about, for example, for those people who want to sell chicken, they can learn the recipe. And first we brought all the ingredients together. We cut.
Can I test here so they can see if it is yummy or it is delicious before you leave my office? Here, let me test to see if it is very, very delicious or it is very yummy. Really, it is very yummy. It is very delicious, and really, I congratulate you guys for the good job that you have done to cook. It means now you are preparing yourself to be good cook before or after you are done with grade 7. So, I remember the first time you prepared the fish and grade 7, yeah, they prepared the fish, really, it was very yummy and tender. So the same applies to you guys. You have prepared a very nice thing. You are warmly welcome in my office again. If you prepare, you can bring and I eat.
Yes, Bessie can cook, but he was.
some people, this school we managed to got 15,000. We're going to use this 15,000 to buy soda. So thank you. Bye. Happy cooking!
Happy cooking like robots. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start.
Happy cooking!